The best way to make 5 to 100% trading profit per day when it comes to stocks is to literally copy the trades of insiders. And when I say insiders, I'm talking about board of directors, management team of a public listed company. Hi, this is Dr. Clement Chiang, founder of Spiking, the world's only software that tracks insider trading. Now, before making any investment, you need some form of knowledge about a company when you have the money. As a result, there are two camps of investors today. The first camp, known as the fundamental analysis, focuses on chasing and analyzing financial news, joining the dots themselves. The second camp, known as the technical analysis, heavily relies on technical indicators and formulas to analyze the charts. Whether it's technical or fundamental, both are effective, but it involves a lot of analysis and hard work. Then the epiphany moment came when I figured out that I should write on others' analysis instead. Not anyone's analysis, but one who has already completed their analysis work regarding the targeted stock. So I say, why don't I go and chase after the insiders of the market? Regardless of what they do, whether they are from the technical or fundamental camp, that doesn't matter anymore. At the end of the day, these insiders put millions or even billions on the table to enter the trade. For someone to put this much money, he must be backed by an elite group of armies who can interpret the financial news, analyze the charts, dissect the financial market, and so on. After that, these elites will go check, 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 confirm boss, put money in, 100 million, trade done, entered. Regardless of their investment belief that money represents due diligence. Then I'll simply ride on their resources by following their trades. That's how our stand on the shoulders of giants came about, giving birth to the software Spiking. Perhaps you have been trying to analyze the financial news yourself, or been trying many different technical indicators to predict the stock prices, but still ended up with trading losses. That shouldn't be the case. Having helped over 50,000 traders globally, we believe that ultimately profitable trading boils down to two things. Number one, the ability to track insiders in real time and using this first-hand info to your advantage. Like some of our students here,
the data from the Spiking software helps me to make my trade more accurate and helps me to analyze my trades before I place my trades. It gives me more confidence as well.
Information from the Spiking Insider has given that additional edge that I have in terms of information to know, who are the ones that is also invested in that company. So that gives me a lot of confidence, and I know what I'm doing.
The insider info has been very useful. It gives me the idea of when to actually trade and when I should follow the whale, and I could actually make profit quite easily.
This way, you maximize your success rate and save yourself from having analysis paralysis and breaking your bank. Our Spiking software not only creates transparency in the insider's world of trading, but also helps any trader to profit the most within the least amount of time. These are what our students have experienced.
So to profit from my trading between 5 to 100%, I'm proud to say I have. In fact, sometimes it can be as fast as minutes. So between minutes to months, of course. Yeah. So of course, there will be times that is longer, but there are times that is actually faster. Yeah.
I have profited 5 to 100% in one day, especially during the year of 2021 when I was still in the coaching program. Forward to that, I have also continued with the education and along the way also have many such profit 5 to 100% in one day.
I've profited close to 5%, and the max was at 83% through this 1 year that I've been using the software. There are more than hundreds of trades that I've done throughout the entire year, and I've not realized a single loss yet.
I have actually profited 5 to 100% in my trading based on the spiking platform, and actually I tried getting that amount within a day.
Perhaps it's time for you to break out of the conventional way of trading stocks and leverage this powerful software and our insider trading blueprint. If you want to make 5 to 100% trading profit, not just each day, but also consistently, you can click anywhere around this video to get connected with Spiking today. But don't just take our words for it. Hear what our students have to say after joining our Spiking Wealth community.
It's a privilege to be part of the Spiking community because you actually grow together, trade together, and go through the ups and downs together. Actually, we all support each other through the community. Although we don't see each other, but we know we are there for each other.
How I've benefited from being part of the community is really through the regular interaction and attending the sessions that Teacher Clement would be sharing. A lot about the analysis of the markets, the economy, and the different companies. So, and as well as the ability and the chance to ask questions, and to ask, really to clarify things that I do not quite understand.
I enjoy the closeness of the community, and especially under the guidance of Dr. Chiang. He has been updating us of all the latest information and keep us in the close-knit community.
Benefiting from the whole Spiking community is that you are in the know. From a finance background, I already have a bit of knowledge, but with Dr. Clement's input, it just makes everything stronger and more accurate. Helps a lot as well in my work as well.
I hope you have gained some insights from this video. Whatever experience you have in trading, whether you are a beginner or experienced one, don't give up on profiting from the stock market. It is one of the best money-making platforms that you can leverage to boost your earnings as long as you are trading with the right approach. You can submit your application by clicking anywhere around this video to get connected with Spiking today while slots last.